How much XRP do you need, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the holdings of the XRP community and what it takes to possibly become a millionaire. First things first, from Jack the Rippler, 2 months left for $100 to $500 per XRP. Right? Is this possible? What do you think? So we see here an article written, Wells Fargo staff predicts XRP to hit $100 to $500 in the next 2 to 7 months. Published July 31st, 2023. Back then, we did say the chances were, what guys? Slim, very slim, right? I mean, the reason being is because it's quite simple. I didn't see, even though I don't have a crystal ball, guys, I didn't see the events taking place this year, as in the collapse, the new financial system, right? Even though, listen to this, yes, speculation, guys, it's all about the events in my eyes, but speculation matters to a degree as well. Why? Why is speculation important? Well, XRP went from pennies, right, less than a penny, guys, to $3.84, just purely based on what? Speculation, not based on utility. Think, right? The whole market is running up on speculation, guys. No one is using any of these coins, right? It's a wild space over here. So it's the wild west, guys. So speculation is important as well. Yes, XRP can probably rampage to double digits, right? This bull run, hopefully, but triple digits, guys, very soon, very unlikely, right? $5, I would be happy for starters, right? Exactly. It's possible if the manipulation stops. Interesting, right? Now, but again, guys, for me, it's all about the events, right? If we're talking about the big numbers. Other than that, speculation can return great results as well, right? But we're talking about different magnitudes, though. Now, who's the idiot that wrote this article? How much XRP do you need to become a millionaire if it hits $1? So this just came out, guys. People are talking about it's the dumbest headline and whatnot, but is it truly, right? Because you need $1.5 million. The IRS needs to get their cut, exactly, right? And depending on what currency as well, guys, right? This is the equation. Amount of XRP, a million, right? And then when it hits $1, you would have $1 million. But we gotta talk about taxes and all that stuff, guys, right? So you need more. Now, this is a fascinating article, though, because why would somebody write this, right? It's interesting. Why would somebody do that, guys? I'm not even quite sure. Now the $1 target, guys, will definitely be a huge milestone to hit, right? So I found this website, guys, called the Coin Perspective, right? Now within this website, you could pick any coin here, but obviously we're going to choose XRP. And if XRP had a market cap of $1.1 trillion, one XRP could be worth $19, guys. Now I was just playing around with the slider, right? Looking at all these different prices. If we check out XRP compared to Bitcoin right here, right? If XRP had Bitcoin's market cap of $862 billion, one XRP would be worth $15.99, an upside of 23x from now, okay? But what's crazy is we bought literally at the bottom, 30 cents or so, guys, right? So you just double that. Actually a little bit more than double, right? So that's why it's always important to buy low. But the thing is, buying low, it's quite emotional, guys, right? Even selling high or selling at any price point is going to be quite emotional, guys. But we have to get rid of emotions, right? We have to basically become robots. So you guys can, I'm going to link the site down description below, and you guys can play around with it. As you guys can see, for $1, the market cap of XRP will be $54 billion, right? That's basically nothing, because people in the crypto sphere, guys, are talking about this bull run. The whole crypto market will hit what? $10 trillion, okay? $10 trillion. And if we talk about if XRP can capture what, a couple trillion, right? Like, look at that, guys. $30 is very easily possible, right? Doable. If the whole market cap goes to what, 10 trillion, right? Plus or minus a few, XRP going to like $20 or so, guys. It's possible, right? It's definitely possible, especially with the storm that's behind us, right? XRP has clarity, and none of these other coins do, guys, which is crazy, right? So XRP definitely has the upper hand, especially with speculative narratives as well, guys, attached to it, right? And that's not even with utility. That's the crazy part to think. So check this out, guys. Massive potential ahead for XRP as adoption is still in its early stage, right? This was updated on October 14th, so it's definitely different than now, the data. But 27% of all XRP wallets are comprised with less than 20 tokens each. That's insane, right? And people still say they're not going to make, specifically, this is the funniest thing. The XRP haters, right, the futzers, say they're not going to make the XRP people rich. But why didn't they say that to Ethereum people, right? The Ethereum community, or Bitcoin, or Stellar, or Binance Coin, right? Why? You guys see how it's so weird this whole space is, right? When it comes to XRP, right? The topic of XRP, people just get weirded out. Davey Shorts even stated that if they happen to make some cryptocurrency people rich, they wouldn't mind. Okay? Check this out, guys. This is the richlist.info, right? Number of XRP wallets is about almost 5 million. Look at that, 5 million, right? That's literally nothing compared to the whole population of the damn world, guys. So that's, and not to mention, 5 million. How many? You comment down below. Please like today's video as well, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like today's video. Please like today's video, and please like today's video, because this is just mind-blowing, right? We're taking a different approach to this whole topic, guys, of XRP, the holdings, the prices, and all these things. So comment down below, how many wallets do you even have, right, of XRP? Well, I have multiple, right? As soon as you open an exchange, guys, sign up with an exchange, right, deposit XRP there, boom, that's your XRP wallet, right? So the 5 million roundabout, guys, number dwindles down to, like, I don't know, maybe 1 million, right? If not less people hold XRP in the entire world, in the entire globe. Not to mention 27% of all XRP wallets are comprised with less than 20 tokens each. That's 27%, guys, right? So it's even less. And people still say, oh, they're not gonna make the XRP people rich, right? It's a funny argument. Percentage of accounts with balance starting at, look at this. If you hold 3.5 thousand XRP, you're in the 10%, right? Number of accounts is under 500,000, guys. 5%. You're holding what? Over 10K. This was back in September 20th of 2023, guys, right? So the more XRP you hold, you're in the top percentage, guys, right? So as we can see, not to mention XRP is deflationary in nature as well. Oh, and people lose their XRPs as well, guys, right, with their wallets and all sorts of stuff. So it just gets less and less and less. Recent data suggests XRP adoption is still in early stages, with over 3.6 million wallets holding less than 500 XRP, right? That's insane. Around 17% of total XRPs, total XRP wallets, 4.8 million were created since the start of 2023, indicating rising interest. Well, is that really the case? Oh, okay. XRP is just getting more popular. It just means, right? Large investors or whales have been accumulating XRP with their holdings representing 27% of the total circulating supply, right? Easier to move prices up. That's a good thing. Satoshi Nakamoto never sold. Easier to move price up, guys, right? One day he probably will, though. and then all these other factors come into play, guys. So there we go. Wow. Now that's if we go to this topic now, right? If we come transition into this, guys, check this out. XRP has lost literally all the extra gains it has made against the general crypto market since the ruling and legal clarity. All of it, really. But somehow it doesn't want to drop lower than that ratio. Look at the reaction. If XRP wants to fall even lower than before the ruling, and it wants to do it, and it wants to do so big time, right? Basically, it seems like XRP may be at a time of exploding to the upside, right? Look at this. People are selling, guys, their XRP for other alts, right? At that point, it was probably a good choice. But now, is it truly, right? When everything is green, think about it. This is why we shouldn't chase green candles, guys. Okay. Not to mention, not financial advice. You guys can do whatever you do wish to, but I'm not chasing green candles. I'll let them come to me. Ripple was buying back XRP since last week, guys. So it must be one of their ODL customers selling. Wow. Right. Look at that. In fact, it's this month is one of the few months ever Ripple is buying back. I wonder why. Right. Fascinating. That's an interesting perspective. Sounds like something any company would do if they expect the price to rise. Interesting, right? Maybe ODL or Ripple Payments. Ripple bought back around 700 million XRP. Can't make that stuff up, guys. Right. So why would they do this? Can you explain? Look at this on-demand liquidity, right? Or Ripple Payments. Ripple customers selling on open markets, making the price drop. Ripple buys back on open markets in order to keep XRP market stable and liquid. A lot of people could FUD and hate XRP or Ripple, right? In that matter, but I won't, guys, right? We have been through the storm for a long time now, and I'm still going to go and be in this journey until the finale, right? At least I'm going to hold my XRPs, guys, until the finale. I don't know if I will be here, but definitely I'll hold my XRP, or at least some portion of it. Minimum 33%, guys. Not financial advice. Everyone has their own different strategies in place, but as you guys can see, if they make some cryptocurrency people rich from David Schwartz, they wouldn't mind it. Not financial advice. How big do you dream? But anyways, that's Sophia's amazingness. See ya.